Press-Dayi Group Multi-Station Ring Forging Hydraulic Press is a special forging equipment developed for seamless ring workpiece prefabrication process. The equipment is composed of main machine, centering turning mechanism, pre-punching final punching arm and pressing mechanism, punch rapid replacement mechanism, punch and mold cavity lubrication and cooling mechanism, oxide skin cleaning and collecting mechanism, scrap metal collecting mechanism, electrohydraulic control system and other components. In addition, intelligent systems such as workpiece temperature measurement, high-definition video monitoring, process data acquisition, and online fault self-diagnosis can be configured. Let's take a look at the production process of preforming ring parts using this equipment. First of all, the heated work blank is placed on the anvil. The centering mechanism centralizes the work blank, the slide goes down the upper anvil upsetting the cylindrical work blank to remove the oxide skin, and at the same time lubricating and cooling the punch and mold cavity. After the upsetting is completed, the centering mechanism clamps and lifts the upsetting workpiece, the moving table moves, and the second station moves below the workpiece. After the positioning is completed, the centering mechanism releases the workpiece and puts the workpiece into the sleeve mold at the second station. At this time, the slide goes down and the workpiece is upset and formed. Then the pre-punching arm is transferred to the center under the slide block, and the workpiece is pre-punching in the sleeve mold. After the pre-punching is completed, the slide goes down again to smooth the height of the workpiece and complete the second step of punching. After the punching is completed, the ejector mechanism ejector the workpiece, the centering mechanism lifts and turns the workpiece, the moving table moves the third station below the workpiece, the centering mechanism places the workpiece on the punching die, and the final punching arm is transferred, the slide goes down, and the cylinder is punched at the same time, to complete the last step of the punching process. This manipulator can remove the workpiece, while the oxide cleaning mechanism cleans the anvil, completing a working cycle. At the completion of the punching process, the scrap metal is transported to the recycling basket via a crawler conveyor under the moving table.